after my boyfriend did this sent to my work, and this when I got home. I need to look good tonight for dinner because guess what? I didn't get him anything. You saw all that, right? I'm going to start off with my glycolic pre-cool cleanser. It's great for taking off the makeup, and I just really like it. One of my lashes just fell off. It's Valentine's. Don't you know it's Valentine's? I'm going to go in with the pre-cool vitamin C. This is a game changer. It is a very inexpensive vitamin C, but it contains 15% vitamin C, ferulic acid. It has niacinamide, but it also has something called EGT, and this helps give you, well, it boosts your vitamin C. So it's a really great texture, and it's super reasonably priced. I'm gonna go in with my Glow Recipes. This is a vitamin C toner. I love it. They just sent this to me, and I have been a fan. I just saw my boyfriend's outfit, and he's wearing a full-on suit. I don't even know what I'm wearing. Sometimes it sucks being the sucky girlfriend, you know, where he outshines me in every aspect of everything. I love this double serum eye. It is so cool because it's like half cream and half like oil. I don't know, but it makes my eyes look so good. There will be no creasing tonight. We want to be plump, but we want our makeup to stay, so we use this. This is what it looks like. My go-to is Lancome. This never lets me down, and so I know I can trust this foundation and that it's gonna last. It's gonna look natural. I warm it up a little bit with my hands, and then I'll go in with my sponge. I secretly hate my boyfriend right now because he's been way too like sweet and getting me all kinds of surprises, and I have done nothing for him. I mean, at work he had flowers delivered and he had lunch for me delivered. So every time they were like, oh, is Lila there? Everybody in the office was like, back there. I did tell him I didn't get him anything, but I wonder if he thinks I'm joking. Because I'm not joking. I really didn't get you anything. And I apologize that I suck. The thing is I'm not a big Valentine's girly. Like, I get the whole idea of having a day for love because some guys suck and they need a reminder, and some girls suck too, and they need a reminder to treat each other special. But, you know, really, my boyfriend and I, we try to date each other on a regular basis. So when he told me he had these plans, I was kind of surprised because I think we show each other stuff every day. I am excited about the gifts though. I know I shouldn't be, but I love presents. Of course, I gotta use my Sigma new mod because it has so many pretty Valentine's colors. I'm gonna do a little purple. That's pretty. I like subtle. I'm not a big bright color, and I wear makeup for, you know, real life. I think I'm gonna go this crazy iridescent for the inners. Oh yeah, that's what I needed. A little plumping gloss from Thrive, and I think I'm ready, guys. What do we think? All right, have a good night, guys. Happy Valentine's Day.